Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Camco 14-inch vent insulator cover. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So here I have a 14-inch RV vent, and this lets in light and it can also let in heat. So at nighttime, if I was camping somewhere under, say, a street light or like an RV park light, I may want to block that light out. Also might want to have a little bit of shade during the day and also block the heat coming through here. Now I also have a vent in the shower. I plan on leaving that one open for now. I might like a little bit of a night light at night if I need to go to the bathroom or something, but maybe I'll put an insulator in there too, who knows. So I'll get this open here. So this has a sort of synthetic sheepskin on the top, and then on the bottom side it has this reflective layer. It's like a bubble wrap that's reflective. So this shows the construction here. It says reflective layer, foam insulator, synthetic fleece. And this talks about some of the advantages. Keep it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Increase your AC efficiency. It's all standard 14-inch vents. Reflective layer helps keep out the sun's heat. So this does have a zipper on the side, so we can look inside. You can see the foam here. So this outer layer can be taken off and cleaned. So this should just fit up here with kind of a friction fit. So it's quite a bit larger than the vent area. So I'm going to need both hands to put this in. Okay, so it's in now. It went in pretty easily. My first impression is this blocks a lot of light. So there was quite a bit more light coming in here. You can see. Let me see. So I have it in. You can see here. And I'll pull this out real quick. And you can see how much light that was blocking. And actually, this is warm right here from being in there for 1 minute. Let me throw it back in real quick. Okay, so it's back in. Now I do have a knob. I should have shown that before. This is the knob. Now some I think have kind of a big crank on there. I don't know if that will hinder putting this in place or not. But with this knob, if you have this knob style, it fits very well. So if this works well, I'll probably get one for the bathroom. I don't know if I want this in here while people are showering. I don't want this to absorb a bunch of moisture. Plus I'll probably open the vent when people are showering. But certainly in storage, if I'm just storing it, or during the day I might put that up there just to keep the heat out. It's supposed to be 100 degrees in like 2 days from now, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and every little bit of heat you can keep out of it's going to be less the air conditioner is going to have to work to keep it cool. Okay, so here's a little look at the insulator with the thermal camera. You can see the roof temperature is around 86 degrees and the insulator is 85.4, so it's about the same. Let's look at the vent that doesn't have an insulator on it. Here you can see this is up over 100 degrees here on these parts, so it's letting a lot of heat in. If we look at adjacent areas, it's at that 85 degrees, but you look at the vent, it's letting in a lot of heat. Let's pull this down and look at the other side. You saw for a second it was 100. This will not measure this very well because it's reflective. We should be able to get temperatures on here. I mean, look at that, it's 125 degrees. That's because it's reflecting the heat back up. And that knob is very hot. So that's the Camco 14-inch vent insulator reflector. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.